just put down number 4.
Jump ball. Arv de la Cruz to Fernandez. Short. Rebound by number 30, Taliwal. 3-point shot by Taliwal. Short. Rebound by Di Guzman.
Nalaroin ka sila? Warm up lang ako.
To Rakaido. Rebound by Rakaido. To 3 seconds violation. Here goes Gil to Himatsi for 3. Another rebound by Di Guzman to Arvin de la Cruz to Rakaido. No good rebound by Edward. Foul de la Cruz. Himad Singh, pass to Taliwal, crossover to number 52, short, rebound by Di Guzman. Steal by Gil to Himad Singh for 3, no good rebound by... Now Rakaido. Not good again. 3 seconds. By Rakaido.
You'll be able to make it.
Right.
No. I'm just wondering like we have a nice game over there. He said, because I talked to him, he said he'll mostly put it here, but there's some games.
Now number 52, Gil. 3-point shot, short. Out of bounds. Now, Arvin de la Cruz. Okay. Layup by number 5. No good. Now, Arvin de la Cruz for 3. No good rebound by Taliwal. Now, Taliwal. Jump shot, oh, nice pass to Gil, 2 points. First 2 points of the game by Gil. Number 1, pass to Rakaido, to Pasot, to Arvin de la Cruz, to Rakaido, no good again. Now, number 52, Gil, shot, no good, short. Pass to Anthony Di Guzman. To Arvin de la Cruz. Rebound by Taliwal. T-shirt ka lang. Here comes Ernst.
Itim yun eh. Dark pala tayo mamaya kasi puti yung sa akin.
Here comes Taliwal.
Puti kami dito.
No good rebound by Rakaido. Oh, nilipit po ni Anthony, 2 points. The score is all 2. Now Gil. Taliwal for 3. Oh, no good. Oh, rebound by number 5, Di Guzman. To Arvin de la Cruz. 2 points by Arvin de la Cruz. The score is 4-2. Now number 52, nice pass to Pamo to Himatsi for 3. Long rebound by Guzman. Now Taliwal, nice pass. Gil, 2 points by Gil. Now Pasok to Anthony. De Guzman, no 2 points by De Guzman. Yeah, it's 6 now. De Guzman, 2 points. Okay, now, Daliwal to Himad Singh for 3! Yeah! 3 points by Singh.
Si Adrian daw gusto maglaro rin.
Dre, laro ka na, Dre.
Tama na yan, dalawa na yan. Now, Nakaido to Pasot, no good. A foul, Anthony. De Guzman. Stop it. Okay, pasok.
Anthony, gold record ka na. Wala ka pagsiko. 5 minutes na. Dati 1 minute lang, pare. Nagbago ka na.
Now, Daliwal to Himad Singh for 3. Long rebound by Ababan. To Anthony. Oh, it's just traveling. Turnover. Now here comes Gil. To G, to Himad. No good rebound by Nakaido. To Norman. Steal by Gil. It's 2 points only. Stepping. Here comes RJ Fernandez. To Nakaido. To Alok. No good. Rebound by Singh. G for 3. Long. Rebound by Ababan. 3 minutes. 3-point shot by Ababan. No good. Rebound by Daliwal. To Gil. No good. Rebound by... Oh, see, no good. Okay, 2 points by Pasot. Time out. Okay. G to Gil. Pass to number 30, Daliwal to Flores. To Singh. No good rebound by Anthony to Ababan. Goes over. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by Singh. Okay, foul number 13, Charles Chan. First foul. Second team foul. Second team. You see the 2 free throws to be awarded to 52. First one is good by Gil. Second one is good. The score is 11-8. De Guzman, no good, rebound by Nakaido, foul. Who's foul that? Okay, Daliwal, foul. Second team down. Basic. 2 free throws by Nakaido is good. Let's see the second one. Good again. The score is 10-11. Three-point shot by Daliwal. No good. Rebound by Ababan. To Charles Chen. Oh, steal by Gil. Okay, good top. Now, Pasot. 51 seconds remaining. 2 points by Nakaido. It's 12-11 now in favor of STS team. Now Gil to Daliwal. Gil. Shot. No good. Rebound by. Whose ball? Same ball. 20 seconds remaining. 3-point shot by Singh. It's 14-12. 10 seconds. 9.
8, 7 shots. 5 seconds.
Is line violation. Oh, it's the end of the first quarter.
G. Asinda. Trying to pass the ball. Arvin De La Cruz passes to number 10. Rakaido for layup, no good. G. Masinda. Masinda put shot, no basket. Rebound. Arvin De La Cruz driving the ball. Rakaido for a layup, no, yes. Foul, number 1. First team foul, first team foul. Money G. Pass to number 5. No good. Rebound by number. Out of bounds. Team STS ball. Pass. Long shot. Was that a pass or a shot? Basket count. Number 52. One more shot. Yes, sir. Arvin. Passes to number 15. Layup, no good. G Money for layup. Yes, sir. The score is 19-14, leading by Basic. Money hustling. Inside shot, let's go! 2 points. The score, 19-16. Three points. Nice power move, no good. Rebound by Arvin. Another power move, layup is good. Score 22-18. Leading Team Basic. Brought to you by Madhu Ministry. Foul. No foul, sorry. Number 1, passes to number 10, 5, house quick turnover. Passes to number 52, layup is good. Score 24-18, leading by 6. Woo! Basket count, 3 points. Rakaido.
Okay, the score is 24-21, 3-point shot by Singh. Rebound by Guzman. To Arvin De La Cruz. Turnover. Three-point shot by Gil. No good. Rebound by Guzman. Turnover.
Jimale short.
Okay, here comes 2 points by De Guzman. 23-24.
One more.
To Talwal. Long.
Save, save.
Oh. Turnover. RP De La Cruz.
Steal by number 52.
Here comes Gil. 2 points by Gil. 26-23 is the score.
Dapat talaga long.
Turnover. Pass it to G-Money. Another turnover. Score 26-23 in favor of Team Basic. Rakaido for 3 points. It's a tie game. No good. Team Basic ball. No good.
Hello.
Meron. Yes, go. Two shots.
2 shots to be awarded to Singh. Last 3 minutes. It's a tie ball game.
Violation, yeah.
It's violation?
Violation.
Okay.
One more shot.
So good.
Alam mo ba kung siya na ito?
The last one is good by Singh. Himat Singh. It's 27-26.
Nice. Let's go.
From Gil.
Nice layup.
Layup by Singh, 2 points. I know, Gil.
Sorry. Let's go. We're talking in the game. Power move.
Alright, turnover. Here comes Talwal.
Si Masinda po. Yan, Masinda. Tumira, pero sumalbalay. Tumira si Sir, si Jill.
Rebound by
Number 8. Substitution.
Donatella out. Number 3.
In. Low.
Hello. Comes from Kaido. Tua pasuot. No good. Talwal. Against exhibition. Rebound by Ababan. Two points para Kaido. It's 30-29 in favor of STS. Struggling by Singh. 37 seconds remaining. Now, Arvin De La Cruz. Nice move there. Foul.
G.
Foul G Money.
It's over. Score is 30-31. Foul. Now Himat Singh to G.
G-Money, no good.
With a heel. No good. Rebound by. Okay, STS ball. Last touch earns Flores. Now Fernandez. Fernandez to Ricardo for three. No good. Rebound by Singh. Double goal. Okay, still 30-31. Now, Fernandez. Oh, with 2 points by Ricardo. Scores 32-31. 1 point lead now by STS team. Two points by Singh. Good drive. Nice drive. Now, Anthony de Guzman to RJ. To de Guzman. Foul. Who's foul rep? Okay, Singh. Himat Singh. Okay, thank you. His first personal foul, Mr. Himat. First free throw is good. Sabila. There you go. It's all 33. Let's see the second one. It's good again. It's a 1 point lead by STS team. Now, Gil. 3-point shot by Gil. Short. Rebound by Guzman. Steal. Foul. Who's foul? 15. Pasuot. That's your second personal foul. Owen.
Yo, Ben mo. Beben mo yung iba. Beben mo ngayon.
Okay. Now, that one for three, no good. Rebound by Ricardo. Hindi tatanong. Here it goes. Gil. 2 points by Gil. Okay. Oh, another fast break. 2 points by Gil. It's 37-34 now. Now, Guzman. It's a block. Okay, same goal. De Guzman. Here comes Ernest Flores. 2 points by Masinda. Timeout. STS. Arvin de la Cruz. Jump shot by Ricardo, no good. Two points by Gil.
Score.
41-34.
41-34 is the score now.
Rakaido for 2.
2 points by Rakaido.
Basket.
It's 36-41. Now Gil. Nice pass to Singh. Now Arvin de la Cruz. Bad pass. Up, traveling. It's like Russell Westbrook.
Always complaining.
Okay. Good Russell by De La Cruz. Nice pass on foul. Foul by Imad Singh. That's your second foul. Second team foul by Basic Team. 2 free throws to be awarded to Alo. Pass award. First free throw. It's good. Let's see the second one. It's good again. It's 38-41, 3-point lead. Now Dalwal to kill. Dalwal to kill the 3. Short. Rebound by Pasawat. Comes Arvin. Whoa! 2 points for Arvin de la Cruz of Team SDS. 1 point lead now by Basic Team. Now number 30 Dalwal to kill. To Flores. Rebound by Pasawat. To Rakaido. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Dalwal. To Gil. To Masinda. Running shot, 2 points. Now number 1. It's 43-40, 3-point lead. Now. Rebound by Flores. A foul. It's not bad.
Number 10.
3-point shot by Rakaido. No good. Singh. Rebound by Guzman. Now turnover. Dalwal. To Gil. For 3. 3 points by Gil.
Score 46-40.
46-40 in favor of
Team Basics.
now Fernandez for 3. No good. Dalwal. 2 points. Tabla. It's 48-40, 8-point lead now by Basics. No good again. 2 points by G. And 1 by Anthony. It's foul number 5. That's your 3rd personal foul. Sing. It's 47 seconds left. It's 2 points. Tama, nalagyan na. Yeah. Here comes the bonus free throw, is good. So it's a 7-point lead now by Team Basics. Gil. Okay, 16 seconds. Oh, turns to Gil.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Basket count.
43.
Okay. Di Guzman.
We're down to the final quarter.
Jump shot.
Shot, no good.
Rebound by
Rebound by Ernst. The score is 52-43, leading by Team Basic.
three-point shot.
No
No good.
good.
Rebound by Ragaido.
The Cruz.
Pass to the Cruz. Foul.
No good. Foul.
Number 10, that's your third personal foul.
First team foul of Team STS. I mean Basic.
I think he got 3. 3. He must sing. First free throw by... That's kabila. No. Ito, shoot ang STS. The second one is short.
G-Money. No good.
3 seconds by Singh. Turnover. Jump shot by Rakaido, no good. Rebound by Gil. Now Gil, pass to number 30, 3-point shot by Daliwan! It's 11 points lead!
Now, paso.
The score is
Pasok
55-44. Favor
to
Team
Di Guzman. To Arvin De La Cruz. Nice move! 2 points by Anthony Di Guzman.
9 points, leading.
Okay, you can feel the thing. Rebound by Pasot to Rakaido. Arms to the Cruz. Nice pass. No, Rakaido. No good. No, 2 points by Charles Chen. This is 7-point lead.
Tied game.
Okay, now number 30 Daliwan to number 10. Oh, Daliwan for 3 again! Ang layo nun!
Back to 10 points lead.
It's a 10-point lead. Foul Masinda. Ilang foul? It's your second foul?
Mr. Masinda, second foul.
Okay, 2 free throws to be awarded to
2 free throws coming out for number 15.
first one is good.
May paso. Pasot.
Masuot.
Let's see the second one. No good. Rebound by Singh. To Flores. To G. To Daliwa. To Gil. Nice pass to rebound by Anthony Di Guzman. Now here comes Arvin De La Cruz. Rebound by Hokkaido. 3-point shot. Oh, foul! It's a 3 free throws. That's your third personal foul, Masinda. Time out! STS. Stop yung
Ilan pa sa amin? Ilan pa?
Ilan pa yung timeout nila? First one is no good. Ilan pa yung timeout nila? This one. 4 timeouts. How many? Second free throw is good. Hokkaido, the last free throw is good. Shot. Wala pa. Forcing to Daliwa again. No good. Okay, STS ball. Stop. Hindi. 2 points by Anthony de Guzman.
The score is 58-53.
It's a 5-point lead.
The game is tied.
Okay. Who's ball red?
Jumbo.
Yeah. Okay, STS ball.
STS ball, STS. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Now, Hokkaido. Short. Now Gil to Gil. Here is Gil to Daliwa.
Screen.
To Gil. Here comes Gil. Daliwa. Rebound by Charles.
De La Cruz, number 1. There you go.
2 points by De La Cruz.
Score.
It's a 3-point lead now.
53. 58. Masinda, no good. No basket. Run the game. Score. 50.
It's a block, okay. Time out.
We have 3 minutes left.
Okay.
Last 3 minutes. In favor of Team Basic. Number 5.
Nice pass. No good. Rebound by same ball.
Same ball. Basic ball.
Okay. It's same ball.
Basic ball.
Gil. 2 points by Gil.
2 points.
Yeah, I said that. Whoever's 3-point shot by Hokkaido.
4-3.
It's a 2-point lead now.
Ilang minutes ang okay?
3. Now, 2 points by whoa! Gil! 2 points!
Hey, shooter.
Alright, okay. Now, here comes Singh. No, moving on to Donatello. Okay, STS ball. De La Cruz. Oh! Bonus free throw by Gil.
Let's see. Hello.
The bonus free throw. It's good. It's 65-58.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Two points by the Idol.
What's the foul? Black shirt 15.
Foul number 15. Yeah, where's the other one?
Go play. Uno. Go.
Okay. Nice pass. 2 points by Flores. Shot. Good. Rebound by yeah.
18 seconds shot clock.
16, 15.
10 seconds shot clock.
7, 6.
Back.
30 seconds.
13.
30? 30. You have wrong. Okay na? 13.
Okay. Okay.